Want to restore deleted apps on your Android phone? Here's how to do that. So let's imagine a situation. You have an app which you don't usually use, but you still need it, and you accidentally deleted it, and you don't remember its name. You don't remember when you installed it from. So let's revive it. First of all, open up your Play Store. After that, you have to tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Now let's press Manage App and Device. Here at the top, you gotta choose Manage. After that, tap on this device button, which is highlighted with the blue column, and we are to choose Not Installed. So here we can see a list of all the applications that's been installed to this account, but are currently uninstalled. So tap on the application which you need, and to install it back, simply tap on this download button at the top right corner. Now give it some time to be downloaded and installed back. There we are. Now we have it back. It's usable, everything's great, works just as it like. However, sometimes there may be situations where this was your some application installed from an APK file without any cloud syncing, without a Play Store support, and in that case, if you delete this application, most likely it's gonna be lost. So it's always good to create a backup. To create a backup, you are to open up your settings, to scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Here you can go with Google Drive account, with Samsung account. So choose one of those variants, or maybe it's Xiaomi backup. They have this option as well. So whichever is available, make sure to get it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.